guys, it's about here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use shotgun. So what you gotta do is go to internet or wherever you have, like Firefox or whoever, and type shortcut creator. And I'm gonna leave a link down below. So what you're gonna do is download, pick either 64 Windows installer, Provice, or 32. Since I already have my, I'm gonna show you. Sorry for the background. There's like a lot of this here. So I'm gonna show you how to go to there. Oops. Just gotta wait for download. So here it is right now. So what you gotta do is open files. But once you download, and let's put this. And there you go, there's one part. Wait, hold on. Sorry, I just trying to like load the video. Sorry for the wee bad thing. Let's just remove this and get a new one. Just go to files like it did before, and then music. Hold on. Downloads. And then what you're gonna do is just press go same thing with other file, like go to videos or whatever. I think hold on, one. I'm gonna use this now. I'm gonna use the scissors right here in the corner. Oops. Got it, and I make sure that I did it again just in case. I'll go through here. Yeah, I'm gonna go to this. Hello guys. Hello guys. I'm gonna go in here. Move 1.01. And here it goes. And I got it right there. Hold on, sorry. Now go right here. And you want to go to the first link. There's one on the top. Since I have Windows, I go. Do you see my last video? I'm sorry for the. And you want to go to the first link. There's one on the top. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you get here, you can see. And then if you want to add something else, just go to speakers. There's something here. Equations, the ones that you saw over here I just did. Playlist, adding to anything, history. You have those filters. Or the YouTube, for first YouTube, the one I did, and timeline. And if you want to export, just go here, export file, and like just press save. It will take a while, and then it will download here. Let me move it because I don't just edit. Once it's done, just go to the file and go to YouTube on the website, and then like download it from there. And then if you want to copy it, just copy here. If you want to add or append to the current track, or you whip out the delete. And then here's the thing, like for here, I think it was export. Yeah, it was export. And once it's export, make sure that the format is MP4. The field, the resolution is exactly 1280 and 720. And aspect ratio is 16 and 9. Frame per second is 30 or more if you want to. Pretty much have it all here. And the code, setting that's here. The audio is the same thing, and also the others. So yeah. So there's that for the what's it called? Yeah, the shortcut. So I'm very tired. My eyes is like killing me. So yeah, that's will be the end of my video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you all later.